Good morning, you two. It's Mrs. Marston again, ready to give you your final addition and subtraction lesson on week 1. It's Friday, the 24th of April, and if you choose to do your work in your blue workbook, as we've suggested before, please write that date 24.4.20 in your book, and also write term 5, week 1, lesson 5. Okay. So we've done lots and lots of work on addition and subtraction, and today we're going to notice the link between addition and subtraction. Sometimes they're called number families, and that's what they say on the worksheets. So the work again is in here. We're going to be doing several pages today, and they're from pages 30 to pages 33. Again, there's more than one calculation on each page. You don't have to do them all, but we would like you to try most of them. So when we're talking about number families, we're making the link between an addition calculation and seeing the inverse, the opposite, when it's a subtraction calculation. So I have an example here. You can see there are 4 calculations to complete, 2 addition, 2 subtraction, and you have to use the numbers given. Then you will be able to see the link between the addition and subtraction calculations. When you finish that, you can have a go at checking your work. And when you're checking, that's a really good idea to make sure that you draw what you know. So, the last 2 pages in the booklet, pages 34 and 35, are all about checking the calculations and proving whether the answer is true or not. So, if we look at these calculations, are you sure that those calculations are correct? Does 19 add 9 equal 28? And if that's true, then 28 subtract 9 will equal 19 because it's the inverse. But if we look at the second calculation on that sheet, does 37 add 7 equal 43? Or do we need to draw that to check? And remember, you can show you're working out, you can prove it in many different ways. You can draw a number line, the bar model, or you could use base 10. Use whichever method you feel most comfortable with, but it is always worth drawing to check. Some you might know, some you might be uncertain of, so please check. Thank you for working so hard with all your maths work this week. I think Mr. Brown's taking over maths work next week, so have fun, enjoy today, enjoy your weekend, and you'll see me do something else on Monday. Bye for now.